How
you're painting the deck.
Brennan asked, how often are security deposits not returned? I had one arbitrarily halved once.
The answer is there's a lot of protection laws around residential security deposits. So that doesn't mean those laws aren't ignored or abused, but there's pretty robust, and it varies from state to state, but Missouri and most states have some pretty robust protections on you have to be given an explanation and an itemized list of what is wrong that somebody is not returning a security deposit to you. You may feel it's arbitrary, but at least they have to explain it to you. And then there are actions you can take. Typically, it's going to be something in the neighborhood of small claims court, given the amount, when a landlord doesn't follow those laws.
Yeah, and everybody needs to know that there's a couple of things to do. Great points to add. You can go for $25. You can go file a small claims action in any county, whatever county you live in. You call the clerk. You go give them $25. You handwrite something out. They help you out. They get service, and then you can do that if you have a landlord who takes your money. The other thing is you can demand them give you an accounting about why they did that. Google the rules. It's on the Missouri state. It's on one of the Missouri state websites. I can let people know that there are rules about that. Talk to your landlord going in. Get a feeling. Is this going to be some landlord who's going to come in and screw you on your security deposit, or is someone who is going to be fair and that kind of stuff? And have some measure of responsibility on a security deposit. If you trash the place and leave, don't expect that security deposit back. If you've lived in a long place and you've deteriorated it, maybe you shouldn't get it back. But interesting issues about security deposits. Do I have a security deposit, Bob?
I'm sure you do, and you're never going to see it again the way you've been treating this place.
That's right. At least.
But you know that.
What else? Did I interrupt you? What were you going to say?
No. I was going to say, so again, this is a case where talking to the landlord is really important, particularly if it's an individual landlord, but in any case, the representative of a big corporate landlord. The question to ask is, what do I need to do to get my entire security deposit back? And when I think I have done all those things, please come walk through the unit with me and show me anything in the unit that's going to keep me from getting my security deposit back. That's your request.
Yeah, don't cut. That's a great point. Don't cut and run, and then be mad if they call you a month later and want some money. Walk through it with them, and see the wall that allegedly has a hole in it and all that stuff. That way, everybody. It's like when you rent a car. It's like you go around and check the outside condition of the car. This is a lot bigger, worth a lot more money than a car.